Congress and its allies who will be in a position to form the new government. The CPIM and the left parties have suffered a major setback in these elections. This necessitates a serious examination of the reasons for the party's poor performance. The CPIM will continue its cooperation with the non-Congress, non-BJP secular parties with whom we have been working. The CPIM assures all those who have reposed their faith in the party in these elections that we will continue to champion the interests of the working people, national sovereignty and secularism. This is a statement that the Politburo has issued as our immediate response to the results of the elections.
Mr. Karat, as the Secretary of CPIM, are you willing to take responsibility for the poor performance of your party?
Our Politburo is meeting day after tomorrow on the 18th, and we will come out with a more detailed and considered response to the whole results. वही मैंने कहा, हमारी पॉलिट ब्यूरो मीटिंग हो रही है परसों, जिसमें हम और विस्तार से ये परिणाम जो है और हमारी जो हार हुई है उसके बारे में हम विचार करेंगे और फिर अपनी बात रखेंगे। वन बाय वन
आप अपनी पार्टी की क्या भूमिका देखते हैं, जो नतीजा है उनमें देखते हो?
क्या
अगली लोकसभा में आप अपनी पार्टी की क्या भूमिका देखते हैं, जो नतीजा है उनमें देखते हैं?
हम जो विपक्ष में है वामपंथी पार्टियां और दूसरे जो गैर कांग्रेस सेक्युलर पार्टियां जिसके साथ हमारा तालमेल रहा है चुनाव में, उनके साथ मिलके हम विपक्ष का काम करेंगे। वही पश्चिम बंगाल का हो या केरल का परिणाम हो, हमारे पॉलिट ब्यूरो में हमारे वहां के नेतागण आएंगे और हम समीक्षा करके कुछ बता सकते हैं। I think that the Congress party and its allies have succeeded in these elections on the basis of the platform they have put forward. We have to see what are the reasons for this, what are the weaknesses or shortcomings we have. We'll examine all that.
Does the factionalism cause the problem in Kerala?
I don't think so, because the 2006 results did not show any impact of such problems on our performance. No, it's not a question of an individual. The question is the Congress party and its allies have got a verdict in their favor from the people. We have to go into the reasons for that and also the reasons why we have failed.
अगर शक्ति परीक्षण की स्थिति आती है लोकसभा में, आपने कांग्रेस के
एक
खिलाफ
करके
चुनाव लड़ा है।
It is not necessary. We have reiterated that we will continue to fight for the alternative policies that we stand for. If the people have voted the Congress and its allies, they will govern, they will pursue certain policies. But we are going to continue to fight for alternative policies.